BJP has attacked CM Kejriwal and Congress over killer apathy. BJP has said despite a hostile Arvind Kejriwal as Chief Minister, BJP ran MCD efficiently for 15 long years. But the moment AAP got control of MCD, Delhi started falling apart. 8 people have died in the last 4 weeks, and the reason is electrocution and drowning due to waterlogging. Both the Congress and AAP are responsible for the collapse of Delhi. As the lead of India bloc, of which AAP is a part, the Congress is guilty of keeping Kejriwal's power, is what BJP has said. Both AAP and the Congress are a curse for Delhi. Piyush Mishra is joining us live on the broadcast. Piyush, Delhi Chief Minister has found himself in trouble after four people have died, in fact, this week due to civic apathy. And the BJP has now hit out at the Chief Minister, saying that the BJP ran the MCD efficiently for 15 years. But after, AAP took control, things went haywire.
Well, certainly we are now seeing as to how the politics is also taking place on this entire matter. You would remember that a couple of days back, a UPSC aspirant had died because of electrocution in the same area. And now what we are given to understand is that 3 students have died, UPSC aspirants have died when the water fell in that particular basement. They could not come out of this. Remember that there were around 25 to 30 students in the basement. Many of them were successfully rescued, but 3 could not survive to that particular incident. And then we are now given to understand is that 3 have lost their lives. Though the investigations are taking place, Delhi government has said that they are going to order a fast-paced investigation in this entire matter, and they will also fix the responsibility on the accused. But the BJP is now demanding resignation of not only the Delhi government minister Atishi, but also the local MLA Durgesh Pathak. But on the other side, we are also seeing how the Aam Aadmi Party is reacting back to this demand of BJP, saying that for 15 years the MCD was in control of Bharatiya Janata Party and they did not do anything. MCD has come in our control for at least for only 1 year, and we are still trying to fix the issue. But the point here is that 3 crucial lives have been lost. We are now seeing how the blame game continues to take place on this issue also. Chetna.